900 by 480 pixel images. With 2 gigabytes of internal memory, you can store up to 10,000 pictures. If that's not enough, use the memory card slot. The OLED frame can also play music, play back video, check the weather, and check the news.
Ikaw man na. Oh, sayaw na yun, sayaw.
Creative way. But relying on your talent and equipment might not be enough to create special skills. Names like Ansel Adams, Bert Stern,
Nalamig da,
Robert Barber, Diane Arbus, Jean-Luc Steve, Art Kane, Helmut Newton, and many dozens of other equally great photographers have developed unique photographic styles. Their arts are timeless and visually stunning. Their photographs are reproduced on calendars, posters, and books, making their photographs recognizable. Our photographs of today might be as good as that, especially now that advanced technology is unstoppable. Workshops, seminars, exhibits, and camera clubs are all over the place offering new techniques and skills to enhance their craft. Pag-attend kayo ng mga seminars, tapos once nag-gather natin yung mga knowledge dito, ang pinaka-importante is may apply natin ito. Para i-apply naman natin dito. Minsan kasi pag solo tayo nag-shoot, hindi ganun ka-anagin, hindi ka-kasig-kasig tayo, no? So, mag-join tayo ng camera club para ma-enhance talaga yung knowledge natin sa photography at makakita rin tayo ng art ng iba na pwede natin inahin kung paano naman natin yung knowledge natin.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 up. Manaiya ha.
Computer editing.
Sa 1, 2, 3 up gang. Liman.
Good pictures. Yun ang mga nagawa namin. Every meeting namin, we have a workshop.
With the right skills, good equipment, and love on this craft, a member of a camera club has just now fight in any photo competition.
Members kasi namin, lahat sila nag-excel because before namin sila isali sa photo contest, dinadjudge muna namin sila. So, kung hindi maganda yung photo, so minomotivate namin yung photographers na ulitin or
Tulad ng milyong-milyong na magaling ng Biogesic, ang #1 brand prescribed by doctors.
Bad na kay nasa mong health.
Mega Challenge! Mga komedyante.
Sayo na gang, sayo na gang.
Patawarin sina Angel, Sam at Cedar.
Mr. Robin Padilla,
Ang